Hello all office executives, I'm back again with another Excel problem set scenario, and in this particular problem set scenario I'll be finding out the total, that is the total number of packets that is being purchased or being sold for whichever it is. Now the problem with this is that if we write packet beside 33, so it's a prefix with packets. Now if I press from the total section, if I press alt equal to, that is the shortcut key for auto sum, it is taking the value from C7 to C14. Now it is not taking the 33 packets because it is considered something else, not in numeric format. Let's check out in which format. So 33 packets general. Now if we just want to write 33 packets, 26 packets in each and every cell, it would take up lot of time. So we can just put suffix to the number, numerical number, and then suffix it with packets at one go in this way. So first of all, let's do the auto sum. Alt equal to, here is the answer. Now select all of the range of cells, then press just go to the format cell dialog box, right click on it on the selected cells and go on to the format cells dialog box. From there select the custom and beside general give a space and write PKTS packets in double inverted quotation and hit OK. We are having packets all the way, 33 packets, 26 packets. The numbers are being suffixed with the packets, the particular string data. So in this way you can just at one go put packets, or maybe you can do kg also. So poppy seed in kg, it would be a hefty amount, and biscuit in kg, that's also, biscuits are in gram. Anyways, you can just right click on it and go to format cell dialog box if you are concerned with giving the value as not in packets but in kg. So instead of packets, if you just write kg and hit OK, we are having kg. So the moral of the particular this problem set scenario is that beside the data give your numerical value, and then do auto sum or summation or average or whatever it is, and at the end of it just go to format cell dialog box and suffix it with the appropriate unit. That's all for this video tutorial. Thank you all guys and happy coding.